In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't change desktop background in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you found yourself locked out of changing your wallpaper on Windows 11, it's typically due to an unactivated Windows license, a locked transcoded wallpaper file, or a sync conflict with your Microsoft account. So what you want to do, the most common reason for grayed out personalization settings is that Windows is not activated. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, then go over to system, and then just go ahead and locate activation. Go ahead and click on that. And if it says Windows is not activated, Microsoft disables all wallpapers and theme customization. So make sure you go ahead and enable it. Now, Windows also creates a cached file of your wallpaper, and if this file becomes read-only or corrupted, you won't be able to change your background. So what you want to do is firstly, go ahead and press Windows and R on your keyboard, and then you want to go over to user profile, app data, roaming, Microsoft, Windows, and then themes. Then just go ahead and press OK. Now it's going to look something like this, and then find the file named transcoded wallpaper, right click it, and then go ahead and delete it right here. And Windows will recreate a fresh one when you select a new picture. Now, if there's a file called slideshow.ini, right click it and select open with notepad, delete all text inside, save it, and exit. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.